We'll be using the Read Excel package, which can be used to read Excel files in either .xls or .xlsx format directly into R as data frames. First, we need to install and load the Read Excel package. You may have already done this at the end of the previous video about packages. If you haven't installed the Read Excel package yet, type and run this command to install the package, and once installed, load the package with this command. For more details on this, see the previous video. Before importing data, you need to make sure your R session is set to the correct working directory where your Excel file is located. Setting the working directory ensures that R can find the file you want to import. I'm going to import an Excel file called Iris. If you have another Excel file you'd like to import, use that one, or else you can download and save the Iris file I'm working with from SurreyLearn. To set your working directory, click the Session menu, then Set Working Directory, then choose Directory. Then navigate to the folder where your Excel file is saved. For me, this is my RStudio folder within my documents. You won't see the Excel file in the folder, as this view only shows folders. Once you're in the folder where your Excel file is saved, click Open. You'll see a line of code has run in the console. The working directory is set using the setwd function, with the file location written in quotations within the brackets. Copy and paste this code into your script, so you can set this quickly again if you start a new R session. We could have typed this code directly into the script, but using the menus is generally easier to ensure that the file path is correct. You can use the getwd function with nothing in the brackets to check your current working directory. You'll see in my case that when I set the working directory, there was a tilde symbol instead of the full path. This is a shortcut that represents the home directory. Now we're ready to import the data using the Read Excel function. Type Read Excel, then the name of your file, including the file extension, in quotations in brackets. Mine is called Iris. Use the assignment operator to assign a name to the imported dataset. I'll call mine Iris. There are a couple of common errors when reading Excel files. Make sure your file name is spelt correctly. This includes correct capitalization. If the file name is wrong, R will not be able to find the file, and you'll get an error like this. You will also get this error if your working directory is not set to the folder where the Excel file is saved. Another common error is trying to run the Read Excel function without having the Read Excel package loaded. If I unload the package by ticking the box next to it, and then run this command again, there will be an error telling me that R cannot find the function. You'll also get an error if the Excel file you are importing is open when you run the command to import it. The data in the Excel file also needs to be in the correct format, with variable names along the top and data underneath. Let's go back to our data. Use print iris or whatever name you gave to your dataset to view the data. Or we can see that Iris is in the output pane. We can click to open it, and it gives a nicer view of the dataset, which opens as a new tab in the source pane. Here's a summary of what we have covered in this video. In the next video, we'll apply all the skills we've learnt so far to exploring and analysing the Iris dataset.